fuck wrong with you? I'm on that good clip. On that good clip.
Please believe me. That is not a do-rag. The police are canceling.
Why are you crying? My boyfriend was cheating on me. Oh my God, how did you find out?
Sure, whatever. Okay. Oops, I guess you could.
What the fuck?
When I woke up from my unconsciousness, I still had my $5, my dignity, and now a traumatic brain injury.
Bruh.
Sure, whatever. Okay. How do you feel about Bakugo? Please.
What the hell?
Sure, whatever. Okay. How do you feel about Bakugo?
What the fuck are you doing?
What's happening over there?